Here I have Motorola Moto X40, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tap on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add interruptions to this mode. It could be like people, to be messages, from shared contacts, from all contacts, from priority conversations, from anyone or from nobody. The same goes for calls. You can also add apps to exceptions. You can add alarms, media, sounds, touch sounds, reminders, calendar, events. You can also set up a schedule for this mode, like you can select days on which it will be active. You can select start time, end time of this schedule. You can also set up default duration of the Not Disturb mode, and you can also hide or display notifications. For example, you can hide only sound from notifications, or you can hide visuals and sound from notifications, or you can select here what you want to hide and what you don't want to. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.